Want to know how to create your own Dola AI in your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own AI through your phone itself in Dola. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we have this Dola AI application right here. So we have opened it up. So we have also created a video on how to log in or sign in to Dola AI through your phone. So make sure to watch it. So by default, you should be under your Dola test right here. So what you can do is, on the bottom, you should be seeing this various interfaces. So right below source bots, you should also be seeing create bot. So you can just simply select that. So now what you can do is, here you can just simply create an AI bot or add something. So you can just simply reference anything right here and then just simply describe the image that you want. So once there is one, you can just simply select send and then you should be good to go. So it should create your own AI and it should just simply create the images or videos that you want, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.